Forget traditional formwork methods because the fast-foot system opens up a whole new dimension. This innovative technology, used in concrete slabs and foundations, spreads the forms like fabric, allowing the concrete to take its shape. With its low cost, incredible speed, and minimal labor, it's revolutionizing the world of construction. These panels not only provide sound insulation, but also add a completely different atmosphere to any space with their stylish and modern look. Imagine a crowded building, office, or factory. Sound clutter disappears, echoes disappear, and a perfect acoustic environment emerges. Its flexible structure adapts perfectly to any surface, completely eliminating the hassle of heavy metals. Imagine this, even difficult corner joints and intricate details are solved in one fell swoop. It's much lighter, more environmentally friendly, and incredibly fast to apply. Used in the construction of massive structures, this system is unrivaled in speed and power. This technology, which combines concrete, steel, and heavy materials in perfect harmony, is a game changer on construction sites. This special PVCU material used in electrical panels and installations is much stronger and more reliable than ordinary plastics. It's both impact resistant and offers extra fire protection. Just imagine, even the pressure, heat, and humidity it will be exposed to for years can't shake its strength. This innovative system was designed specifically to create perfect surfaces on both interior and exterior surfaces. It's easy to apply and stands out with its durability that defies years of use. Just think, ordinary cladding materials crack and wear over time, but Mevadeck eliminates all these problems and delivers a flawless finish. Consider the durability of traditional concrete. Now add the flexibility and long-lasting protection of polymers. The result? An incredible building material that's virtually unbreakable, won't crack, and defies water and chemicals. These random yet ingenious techniques have engineers exclaiming, "Why didn't we know this before?" Because each one is nothing short of a product of ingenuity that pushes the boundaries of the mind. These special panels eliminate echoes, absorb noise, and transform the space they're in into a perfect acoustic paradise. Movie theaters, offices, conference centers, or your home. Wherever they're used, the result is the same: a crystal clear soundscape. This incredible spray-applied polyurethane foam penetrates even the smallest gaps in walls, creating a seamless, one-piece insulation barrier. It not only prevents heat loss, but also keeps moisture and air out. The result? Stronger, more durable, and incredibly energy-efficient buildings. This system eliminates the hassle of traditional lifting methods. Its powerful mechanism lifts tons of weight in a single move. Imagine, jobs that would take hours on a construction site are completed in minutes. This special fireproofing stone fills gaps in walls and cable runs, creating a virtual invisible shield. When a fire breaks out, it activates and prevents the spread of fire, smoke, and heat, saving lives. Imagine snowstorms closing roads and ice endangering vehicles. But this system changes everything. Thanks to heating lines installed under the road, snow melts as soon as it hits the ground, and ice disappears before it even forms. This special flooring system is not only durable, but also offers comfort and aesthetics simultaneously. Imagine soft steps, a quiet environment, and a surface that lasts for years without wear and tear. It's preferred everywhere, from hospitals and schools to shopping malls and homes. Dome architecture, used for centuries, is not only a work of aesthetics, but also a feat of engineering genius. It can perfectly distribute its own weight, covering vast spaces without any columns. Whether it's a historic cathedral or a modern stadium, domes feel like a window to the sky.